Welcome to your collaboration site. We are so excited to share this space with bilingual and ESL teachers in District 59 in order to work together to improve instruction. This is a quick introductory video in order to help you familiarize yourself with our new ELL teacher, Ning. So let's get started by looking at this main page. Here on the main page, the most important component is right here in the middle. It's entitled Join the Conversation, and it has a listing of all the great ways that you can get involved with our new Ning. Our next portion is the personal page. So each person that logs in will also have their own page, which has a picture, as you can see, as well as all of your recent activity, blog posts, forum discussion questions. But let's say that you wanted to change some of your information, for example, your picture or any other personal information. You would go over here to Settings, click on Settings. You could choose a file to change your picture, or you could also change any other personal information in this area, and then just click Save to your changes. Let's go over now to our forum page. Our vision for the forums page is to use it as continuing professional development. Most of the forum discussions will be led by Susan or Martina, but there's also a space for you to ask your questions and to respond to the questions of others. There will also be a space for you to ask questions to a Thesaurus representative, as they're part of our community as well. This will take place all in the forum section. So let's talk about two different things in the forum section. One is how to reply to somebody else's forum discussion question, and then the other is how to add your own discussion. So first of all, to reply to someone else's discussion, I've already started a discussion question here. What's working well with the new Thesaurus curriculum? So if you have an idea or a comment, you'd simply click on the title. My post is up here on the top, and you would simply click to reply down below, and then click Add Reply. If you'd like to start your own forum discussion question, you click Add a Discussion. Make sure you title your discussion. Include your text here. If you'd like to add a document or a picture, this is your place to do that. And then it's really important to tag your discussion question. So for example, if you have a discussion on how to teach multiplication, perhaps your tag would be math and multiplication, something that'll help us to search for it later on. And then make sure to add your discussion. So that's our forums page. Now let's go over to the blog. Each person that has their own member page also has their own personal blog, but then you're also able to see all the blog posts of other members. So again, with our blogs page, we're going to focus on two different components: how to respond to somebody else's blog and how to add your own blog post. So let's start with responding to something that someone else has written. So I've already written my first blog post here, Lesson Plans for Grade 3. So if you had an idea or a question or a comment, you'd simply click on the title. What I wrote is on top, and then on the bottom you'd simply add your question or comment and click Add Comment. If you'd like to add your own blog post, you'd click Add a Blog Post. Again, you would title it. Here you'd write your text, and this is the part where we think it would be a really great idea and a great spot to add a file or a picture to share with us some of those great ideas. The blog space is really for each teacher to post information that they feel is relevant and useful to others. If you create a math game or a great spelling activity, post it here. This is your primary collaboration tool, and it will only be as useful as you make it. Again, at the end, make sure that you have tagged your blog. You would want to post it now, and then make sure you share it with everyone so we can all benefit from it. You would publish your post in order to publish it at that moment. You can preview it to make sure you like it, or you can save it as a draft if you're not sure. So let's go back again to the main page. So we hope that this tutorial was helpful and that you feel comfortable and confident using this new tool. Please contact the ELL department with any questions, and please start collaborating. Thank you.